When most people think about home security, they picture alarms and cameras. But real protection is about understanding your risks and choosing a system designed around how you live. The first thing to look for is a provider that evaluates your home's real exposures: side doors, basement windows, garage entries, and patio sliders. Full coverage matters, especially for larger homes in northern New Jersey. Next, focus on fast, accurate detection. Sensors should distinguish between people, pets, and environmental motion, while cameras need to perform well in low light, glare, snow, and rain. A good system also protects you from more than break-ins. Modern security includes fire and smoke detection, carbon monoxide alerts, water leak sensors, and temperature monitoring. Monitoring is another critical piece. If the system only alerts you, you're responsible for reacting at the worst possible times. Professionally monitored systems add a second layer. Trained specialists verify events and contact authorities quickly and accurately. Everything should also work together: cameras, sensors, locks, lighting, garage doors, in one unified platform. That integration eliminates blind spots and makes the system easier to use. Reliability matters too. A strong system keeps working during power outages, internet failures, or Wi-Fi jamming. And one more factor homeowners often overlook: vendor lock-in. Many big-name brands use proprietary hardware that only they can service or upgrade. Open, industry-standard systems protect your long-term investment. They're maintainable, reparable, and upgradable by any qualified technician, not just one company. So here's the takeaway. A home security system shouldn't come in a box. It should be designed around your home, your family's lifestyle, and your level of risk. Look for complete coverage, fast detection, environmental protection, professional monitoring, seamless integration, strong reliability, and an open platform. Because real security isn't just about alarms. It's about confidence, knowing your home is protected and that every component performs when it matters most.